Good Art Hollywood. Shiv-sucio. It's got a little cat. Meow meow. Sterling silver. Made in California. 100%. Came with the key. Or the Phillips screwdriver. Good Art Hollywood. California. Waited a long time to get this knife. It just took me a while to save the money. It's not only a utility blade, it's jewelry. The Piko is the other model, and you're missing these two holes here, so it's a little bit shorter. I'll probably get one of those also. It is absolutely beautiful. And it'll look even better once it's been used and gets scratched and little dings in it. Something 100 years from now will be absolutely perfect.